Top 25 Technical Account Manager Interview Questions and Answers. In the competitive landscape of technical account management, preparation is key to success in interviews. This video will guide you through the top 25 interview questions frequently asked in this field, along with effective answers to help you shine. Whether you are an experienced professional or new to the role, understanding these questions can enhance your confidence and performance. Join us to gain insights that will empower you to tackle your technical account manager interviews with ease. 1. Can you walk me through your experience as a technical account manager or in a similar role? I have spent over 5 years as a technical account manager, during which I have developed strong relationships with clients across various industries. My role involved understanding client needs, delivering tailored solutions, and ensuring they maximize value from our products. I have successfully managed multiple accounts, consistently meeting their specific requirements. Collaborating with cross-functional teams, I facilitated seamless communication between clients and our technical staff. This experience has equipped me with the skills necessary to anticipate challenges and proactively address them, ensuring client satisfaction and retention. 2. How do you balance technical knowledge with customer relationship management? Balancing technical knowledge with customer relationship management involves understanding both the technical aspects of a product and the client's needs. It starts with active listening to identify pain points and goals. I leverage my technical expertise to provide insights and solutions that align with their business objectives. Regular communication is essential. I ensure clients feel supported and informed about relevant updates or changes. Building rapport through trust and transparency encourages clients to engage openly, fostering a collaborative partnership where technical solutions are tailored specifically for their needs. 3. What industries or types of clients have you supported in the past? In my previous roles, I have supported clients across various industries including technology, healthcare, and financial services. Working with tech startups allowed me to navigate rapidly changing environments, while my experience in healthcare honed my skills in compliance and regulatory challenges. I also collaborated with financial institutions, where understanding security and data privacy was crucial. Each industry provided unique challenges and insights, enabling me to tailor my approach to meet diverse client needs effectively, ensuring their success and satisfaction with our solutions. 4. How do you prioritize multiple accounts with competing demands? When prioritizing multiple accounts, I start by assessing the urgency and impact of each client's needs. I categorize them based on criteria such as project deadlines, revenue potential, and relationship status. Regular communication with clients helps me understand their evolving priorities. I also maintain a dynamic task list that allows for flexibility, ensuring I can shift focus when necessary. Collaboration with internal teams is crucial, as it enables me to allocate resources effectively and ensure that I meet the expectations of all stakeholders involved. 5. What is the biggest challenge you faced in managing client relationships, and how did you resolve it? One significant challenge I encountered was a situation where a key client faced persistent technical issues that affected their operations. Despite our team's best efforts, the problems persisted, leading to frustration on both sides. To resolve this, I scheduled a dedicated meeting with the client, where I listened to their concerns and collaborated with our technical team to devise a tailored solution. By keeping communication transparent and involving the client in the troubleshooting process, we not only resolved the issues but also strengthened our relationship, ensuring their trust and our commitment to their success. 6. How do you explain complex technical concepts to non-technical clients? When explaining complex technical concepts to non-technical clients, I focus on simplifying the language and using relatable analogies. First, I assess the client's background and knowledge level, tailoring my approach accordingly. I break down the concept into smaller, digestible parts, ensuring clarity at each step. Visual aids, such as diagrams or charts, can be highly effective in illustrating ideas. Encouraging questions allows clients to engage and clarifies any uncertainties. My goal is to ensure clients feel comfortable and informed, empowering them to make decisions based on a solid understanding of the technology. 7. What is your process for troubleshooting and escalating client issues? When troubleshooting client issues, I first gather all relevant information by asking precise questions to understand the problem thoroughly. I analyze logs, error messages, and any other data available. If I can resolve the issue, I ensure the client is updated throughout the process. If the issue requires escalation, I document all findings and communicate clearly with the technical team, providing context to expedite resolution. Keeping the client informed during this process is crucial to maintain trust, and I follow up once the issue is resolved to ensure satisfaction. 8. Which technical tools, CRM platforms, or monitoring systems are you most familiar with? I have extensive experience with various technical tools and platforms that enhance account management. I am proficient in CRM systems such as Salesforce and HubSpot, which streamline client interactions and data management. For monitoring systems, I have used tools like New Relic and Datadog to track application performance and identify issues proactively. Additionally, I am familiar with ticketing systems like Jira and Zendesk, which help manage client support requests efficiently. These tools enable me to provide timely updates and maintain strong relationships with clients. 9. How do you stay updated on the latest technology trends relevant to your clients? Staying updated on technology trends involves a multifaceted approach. I regularly read industry publications, attend webinars, and participate in conferences to gain insights. Engaging in professional networks and forums allows me to exchange knowledge with peers and experts. I also subscribe to newsletters and follow thought leaders on platforms like LinkedIn. This continuous learning helps me identify emerging trends and tools that could benefit my clients, ensuring I provide them with innovative solutions that align with their needs and goals. 10. Can you describe a time when you identified a technical issue before the client noticed it? In my previous role, I was monitoring a client's system performance when I noticed unusual spikes in error rates that hadn't yet impacted user experience. I proactively reached out to the client, explaining the potential issue and the steps we could take to address it. We implemented a fix before the errors escalated, ensuring uninterrupted service for the client. This not only prevented a possible outage but also reinforced the client's trust in our vigilance and commitment to their success. The experience highlighted the importance of proactive monitoring and communication in strengthening client relationships. 11. How do you build trust and maintain long-term relationships with clients? Building trust with clients involves consistent communication, transparency, and delivering on promises. I prioritize regular check-ins to understand their needs and challenges, providing tailored solutions that align with their goals. Actively listening to client feedback helps foster a genuine connection, demonstrating that their input is valued. Additionally, sharing relevant insights and updates shows my commitment to their success. By being proactive and responsive, I create a collaborative environment where clients feel confident in our partnership, leading to long-lasting relationships. 12. How do you handle a situation where a client is dissatisfied with the product or service? When a client expresses dissatisfaction, my first step is to listen actively and empathize with their concerns. I ensure they feel heard and understood. Next, I gather all relevant information about the issue to determine the root cause. I communicate transparently about the steps I will take to resolve the situation and provide a timeline for updates. Following resolution, I check in with the client to ensure their expectations are met. This proactive approach not only resolves their immediate concerns but also helps rebuild trust and strengthen the relationship moving forward. 13. What strategies do you use to improve client retention and reduce churn? To enhance client retention and minimize churn, I focus on proactive communication and personalized service. Regular check-ins help identify potential issues early, allowing me to address concerns before they escalate. Building strong relationships through trust and transparency is crucial. I ensure clients feel valued and heard. Implementing feedback loops allows me to adapt our services to meet their evolving needs. Additionally, leveraging data analytics provides insights into client behavior, enabling targeted strategies for engagement and satisfaction. 14. How do you balance upselling opportunities while ensuring client satisfaction? Balancing upselling opportunities with client satisfaction requires a deep understanding of the client's needs and goals. First, I focus on building a strong relationship by actively listening to their challenges and providing tailored solutions. When I identify an upsell opportunity, I ensure it aligns with their current objectives and adds real value. I communicate transparently about the benefits and potential impact of the upsell, ensuring the client feels confident in the decision. By prioritizing their satisfaction and demonstrating how the upsell enhances their experience, I cultivate trust and long-term loyalty. 15. Can you share an example of how you turned an unhappy client into a loyal customer? A client once expressed frustration over repeated product issues that affected their operations. I arranged a meeting to listen to their concerns and fully understand the impact on their business. After identifying the root causes, I coordinated with our engineering team to implement a tailored solution. I provided regular updates and offered additional training to ensure they felt empowered using our product. Over time, the client not only regained trust but also became an advocate, referring new clients and providing positive testimonials about their improved experience. 16. How do you collaborate with sales, engineering, and support teams to meet client needs? Collaboration with sales, engineering, and support teams is essential for client success. Regular communication and established channels ensure everyone is aligned on client requirements and expectations. I participate in cross-functional meetings to share insights about client feedback and technical challenges. This information helps sales tailor their approaches while engineering can prioritize feature requests or bug fixes. By fostering a culture of teamwork, we can quickly address client needs, leading to enhanced satisfaction and stronger relationships. 17. How do you handle conflicts between internal teams and the client's expectations? When conflicts arise between internal teams and the client's expectations, I focus on facilitating open communication. First, I listen to both sides to understand the root of the disagreement. Then, I organize a meeting with key stakeholders to discuss the issues collaboratively. By ensuring everyone has a voice, I can help bridge gaps and find common ground. I also emphasize the importance of aligning on goals and outcomes. After reaching a resolution, I follow up to ensure that both the client and internal teams are satisfied with the agreed upon solutions and maintain transparency throughout the process. 18. What reporting methods do you use to keep clients informed about their account performance? To keep clients informed about their account performance, I utilize a combination of regular reporting methods. I create customized dashboards that highlight key performance indicators, KPIs, relevant to each client's goals. Weekly or monthly reports summarize progress against these KPIs, addressing any concerns and outlining action items. Additionally, I schedule regular check-in meetings to discuss performance insights and gather feedback, ensuring that clients feel engaged and informed throughout the process. This approach fosters transparency and strengthens the client relationship. 19. How do you communicate technical issues to executive-level stakeholders? Communicating technical issues to executive-level stakeholders requires clarity and brevity. I focus on translating complex technical jargon into business impact language that highlights potential risks and solutions. I prioritize key points, avoiding unnecessary details, and use visual aids such as charts or dashboards to illustrate the issue's impact. Engaging the stakeholders by framing discussions around their strategic priorities ensures they understand the significance of the technical issue. Regular updates and open lines of communication foster trust and enable proactive decision-making. 20. What steps do you take to prepare for regular client review meetings or QBRS, quarterly business reviews? Preparing for regular client review meetings or QBRS involves several key steps. First, I gather data on account performance, including metrics relevant to the client's goals. This may include usage statistics, feedback, and any challenges faced. Next, I review previous meeting notes to track progress on action items. Collaborating with internal teams ensures I have insights on new features or updates that may benefit the client. I also tailor the agenda based on the client's unique needs and objectives, ensuring that we focus on areas that provide the most value during our discussions. 21. How do you align your technical recommendations with a client's business goals? Aligning technical recommendations with a client's business goals involves understanding their objectives and challenges. I start by conducting thorough discussions to identify their key performance indicators and desired outcomes. Then, I assess how our technology can address these goals, ensuring that any proposed solutions not only meet technical requirements but also drive business value. Regular check-ins and feedback loops help me refine recommendations, ensuring they remain relevant as the client's needs evolve. This collaborative approach fosters trust and demonstrates my commitment to their success. 22. How do you measure the success of your work as a technical account manager? Measuring success as a technical account manager involves several key metrics. Client satisfaction is paramount. I utilize surveys and feedback sessions to gauge their happiness. Retention rates are another critical metric, as repeat business indicates trust and value. Additionally, tracking upsell and cross-sell success provides insight into the effectiveness of my relationship management. Regularly reviewing account health metrics, such as usage statistics and performance against KPIs, helps ensure clients are achieving their desired outcomes, which is essential for long-term success. 23. Can you share an example of how you identified an upsell or cross-sell opportunity? Identifying upsell opportunities often involves understanding a client's evolving needs. For instance, while reviewing a client's usage data, I noticed they frequently exceeded their current service limits. I initiated a conversation to discuss their objectives and discovered they were planning to expand their operations. This insight allowed me to recommend a higher-tier service package that better suited their requirements. Presenting data-backed benefits and aligning the proposal with their growth strategy not only demonstrated our commitment but also successfully resulted in an upsell that enhanced their satisfaction and loyalty. 24. What role do data and analytics play in your account management strategy? Data and analytics are essential in my account management strategy. They help me track client usage patterns, identify trends, and measure the effectiveness of solutions. By analyzing data, I can make informed decisions that align with client needs, anticipate potential issues, and offer proactive solutions. Data-driven insights enable me to present tailored recommendations that drive value for clients. Additionally, using analytics tools allows me to monitor key performance indicators, ensuring that clients achieve their desired outcomes and satisfaction levels. 25. Where do you see the role of technical account manager evolving in the next 5 years? The role of technical account manager, TAM, is likely to evolve significantly as technology continues to advance. TAMs will increasingly become strategic advisors, integrating deeper into clients' business processes and understanding their unique challenges. With the rise of AI and automation, TAMs will need to leverage these tools for predictive analytics and proactive support. Additionally, there will be a greater focus on customer experience, requiring TAMs to enhance communication and engagement strategies. As businesses prioritize data-driven decisions, TAMs will play a crucial role in translating technical insights into actionable business outcomes. In this video, we've explored the top 25 technical account manager interview questions and provided insightful answers to help you prepare effectively. Whether you're an aspiring candidate or an interviewer, understanding these questions can significantly enhance your performance. We hope you found the information valuable and that it gives you the confidence to tackle your next interview with ease. If you enjoyed the content, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful resources and tips. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for watching.